Hi, in this video, I will show you how Klarna actually works with Steam, what is supported, and the two real methods you can use right now. So, Steam does not offer a direct Klarna button, but you still have valid workarounds. Step 1 is understanding the limitation. So first you need to know this clearly. Steam does not support Klarna directly at checkout, and you will not see Klarna listed as a payment option inside Steam like PayPal or cards. This is normal and not an error. Now, step 2 is using Klarna virtual one-time card, and this is the best method. So, this is the closest way to paying directly on Steam. Open the Klarna app, search for Steam games, or tap the Klarna card option. Now, create a one-time virtual card with the exact amount you want. Now, open Steam, go to checkout, choose credit or debit card in the checkout section and enter the Klarna virtual card details like normal Visa or MasterCard. If approved, the payment goes through Steam and Steam accepts it. Now, another way is buying Steam gift cards and with Klarna. So if virtual card fails, this method always works. Go to a trusted gift card site that supports Klarna, then choose a Steam wallet gift card amount. At checkout, select Klarna and complete the payment. You will receive a gift card code by email. Now, to redeem this gift card on Steam, you can simply open Steam, go to Account, click View Wallet and click Add Funds. Now, paste the gift card code and confirm, and the balance will be added instantly and you can buy games normally. Now, you will also see that Klarna has a Steam page. If you search for it, it comes up. But the Klarna Steam page does not mean direct checkout support. It simply allows you to use Klarna's virtual card or buy Steam credit through Klarna's shopping flow. Steam still processes payments as cards or wallet balance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.